Hello, my name is Simon, and this video will be a walkthrough in the process of revising an item on eBay.
First things first, what does revising a product mean? Revising a product, or product revision, refers to the process of pushing the changes you've made in AdLister to eBay. In other words, if you've made any changes to your product in AdLister, these changes won't be reflected straight away on live eBay. You will need to push these changes to eBay. In other words, you have to confirm these changes. So how do you revise a product on AdLister? After you've made the desired changes to the product, you'll have to revise it in order to reflect these changes on eBay. And you'll be doing it in the following way. First, navigate to the products page, tick the item you want to revise, and click the eBay drop-down, and then click on Revise. Pick which option to revise according to what changes you've made previously. In other words, if you've changed the shipping option of the item, you'll be selecting postage options and so on. A message box will appear saying if the item was successfully revised or if it failed. You can also revise the item after you finish editing the item specifics and/or variations. Choose the List on eBay option from the drop-down right next to the Save button and press Save. Tick the option you want to revise accordingly. Those are the ways you can revise items on eBay. Hope you found it helpful, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye!